Hey traders! Oh wow, this is exciting. Aave is up about 3% this week and trading around $95. And guess what? The last 24-hour trading volume is showing such strong activity, it's honestly thrilling. I can't help but feel like something big might be coming. So the big question is, are we gearing up for the next bullish momentum? Or is this just a trap? The suspense is kind of electrifying. We've just shared our detailed Aave price prediction, complete with key support levels and potential targets, over on our Patreon, and I'm so happy we finally put it together. If you're curious, definitely check it out. The tester plan is just $10, which is such a fun and simple way to see if it fits your trading style. The link is in the description, and oh my gosh, I hope you love it. And as always, do your own research. This is not financial advice.